In this video, I'm going to show you how to send audio file on Instagram. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. You can open up Instagram, then you can get into your DMs, open up some conversation, and right here, if you want to share some file, you can do that. You can just attach there a photo from your photos gallery, and that's it. But there is simple trick how you can fix that problem. Just hop out Instagram and open up your web browser. Then go to WeTransfer.com. That's free service that allows you to share your files all over the internet. Right here at the homepage, just hit send a file, then hit that big plus sign and select choose files. Now check mark audio file and hit on open. You can also check mark multiple files at once. Then hit on next and there check mark get a link and hit on get a link button. Then wait for some time and hit add copy link to copy link to that file to your clipboard. Now you can move on back to Instagram, double tap at text field, hit on paste and hit on send. I hope this video helped you out, so don't forget to like and subscribe.